Food processing, preservation and storage. Food processing, preservation, and storage are important aspects of the food industry, as they ensure that food is safe and of high quality for consumption. Food processing involves the conversion of raw agricultural products into finished products that are ready for consumption. Processing can include various methods such as sorting, washing, cutting, cooking, freezing, and packaging. Food preservation involves the use of various methods to slow or prevent the growth of microorganisms that cause food spoilage, such as bacteria, yeasts, and molds. Preservation methods include refrigeration, freezing, drying, canning, pasteurization, and the use of preservatives. Food storage is an important aspect of food preservation, as proper storage can help prevent spoilage and extend the shelf life of food. Factors that can affect food storage include temperature, humidity, and exposure to air and light. For example, perishable foods such as fresh fruits and vegetables are often stored in a refrigerator or freezer to slow the growth of microorganisms, while non-perishable foods such as canned goods are best stored in cool, dry, and dark places to maintain their quality. Overall, food processing, preservation, and storage are critical to ensuring that food is safe, nutritious, and of high quality for consumers. Importance of food processing, food preservation and food storage. Food processing, preservation, and storage are important for several reasons. 1. Food safety. These processes help to prevent foodborne illnesses by reducing the risk of microbial contamination to which raw foods may be exposed. Proper processing and preservation help extend the shelf life of food products and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, yeasts, and molds. 2. Nutritional value. Food preservation techniques, such as freezing or canning, help to preserve the nutritional value of fresh foods. Food processing, on the other hand, can make certain nutrients more available to the body, such as cooking of legumes, which destroys anti-nutrients, making nutrients more bioavailable. 3. Convenience. Food processing helps to make food more convenient and easier to prepare. It also enables the production of a wider range of food products that are available year-round. 4. Reducing food waste. Proper food preservation and food storage can help reduce food waste caused by spoilage or overproduction. 5. Food security. Food processing and preservation can help ensure a stable food supply, especially in areas where food availability may be limited. 6. Increased economic activity. Food processing and preservation create jobs and contribute to the growth of the local and national economy. Overall, food processing, preservation, and storage play an important role in ensuring food safety and security, reducing food waste, and providing convenient and nutritious food products to consumers. Methods of food preservation. A. Traditional methods. B. Modern methods. Traditional methods of food preservation include 1. Drying. In this method, moisture is removed from the food, which helps to prevent the growth of microorganisms that can cause spoilage. Examples of foods that are commonly dried include fruits, vegetables, and meat. 2. Salting. Adding salt to food can help to prevent the growth of microorganisms. This method is commonly used in the preservation of fish, meat, and vegetables. 3. Smoking. Smoking involves exposing food to smoke from burning wood, which imparts a smoky flavor to the food and helps to prevent the growth of microorganisms. This method is commonly used in the preservation of fish, meat, and cheese. 4. Fermenting. Fermentation involves the conversion of carbohydrates and sugars in food into organic acids and alcohol, which helps to preserve the food. Examples of fermented foods include yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and sourdough bread. B. Modern methods of food preservation include 1. Refrigeration and freezing. These methods involve storing food at low temperatures to slow down the growth of microorganisms. Refrigeration is commonly used for short-term storage, while freezing is used for long-term storage. 2. High-pressure processing. In this method, food is subjected to high pressures, which can help to preserve the food and extend its shelf life. 3. Vacuum packing. Vacuum packing involves removing air from food packaging, which helps to slow down the growth of microorganisms. 4. Irradiation. In this method, food is exposed to ionizing radiation, which can kill microorganisms and help to extend the shelf life of the food. 5. Chemical preservation. This involves the use of chemicals, such as preservatives and antioxidants, which help to prevent the growth of microorganisms and slow down the oxidation of the food. Overall, both traditional and modern methods of food preservation play an important role in ensuring food safety and extending the shelf life of food products. Food additives. Food additives are substances that are added to food products to improve their appearance, flavor, texture, and shelf life. There are many different types of food additives, including 1. Preservatives. These additives help to prevent the growth of bacteria, yeast, and molds that can spoil food. Examples of preservatives include sodium nitrate, potassium sorbate, and calcium propionate. 2. Flavor enhancers. These additives are used to enhance the taste of food. Examples of flavor enhancers include monosodium glutamate (MSG) and ribonucleotides. 3. Colorants. These additives are used to add color to food products. Examples include caramel color, annatto, and beet juice. 4. Emulsifiers. These additives help to mix together ingredients that would otherwise separate, such as oil and water. Examples include lecithin and mono and diglycerides. 5. Stabilizers and thickeners. These additives help to maintain the texture and consistency of food products. Examples include agar, carrageenan, and xanthan gum. While food additives can help to improve the quality and safety of food products, some people may have allergic reactions or other adverse effects to certain additives. Therefore, it is important to read food labels and be aware of which additives may be present in the products you consume. Differences between traditional methods and modern methods of food preservation. Traditional methods of food preservation have been used for centuries, while modern methods are more recent innovations. Here are a few key differences between the two. 1. Technology. Traditional methods of food preservation involve simple, low-tech processes such as drying, fermenting, and smoking. Modern methods, on the other hand, involve more advanced technologies such as irradiation, high-pressure processing, and vacuum packing. 2. Shelf life. While traditional methods of food preservation can extend the shelf life of food products, they generally do not preserve them for as long as modern methods. For example, refrigeration and freezing can preserve food for much longer periods of time than drying or salting. 3. Health implications. Some traditional methods of food preservation, such as fermenting and smoking, can actually increase the nutritional value of food products. However, some modern methods, such as the use of chemical preservatives, may have negative health implications if consumed regularly. 4. Taste and texture. Traditional methods of food preservation can impart unique flavors and textures to food products, while modern methods tend to leave less of an impression on taste and texture. Overall, both traditional and modern methods of food preservation play an important role in ensuring the safety and availability of food products. While modern methods may be more efficient and technologically advanced, traditional methods can be valuable for preserving food in a way that maintains its unique flavor and nutritional value. Revision exercise. 1. Briefly differentiate between food processing and food preservation. 2. Why is it important to process, preserve and store food? 3. Differentiate between traditional methods and modern methods of food preservation. 4. With specific examples explain what additives are. 1. Food processing involves turning raw food materials into finished food products through cutting, grinding, heating, or other methods. Food preservation involves techniques such as smoking, salting, or freezing that can extend the shelf life of food products and prevent spoilage. 2. Processing, preserving, and storing food are important for several reasons. Firstly, they can help to prevent food waste by extending the shelf life of perishable products. Processing can also help to increase the variety of foods available year-round and make them more convenient to prepare and consume. Additionally, food preservation and storage can help to prevent the growth of bacteria and other pathogens that can cause foodborne illness. 3. Traditional methods of food preservation have been used for centuries and involve low-tech processes such as drying, fermenting, and smoking. Modern methods, on the other hand, involve more advanced technologies such as irradiation, high-pressure processing, and vacuum packing. Traditional methods can improve flavor and nutritional value, but modern methods can store food for much longer periods and are more efficient. 4. Food additives are substances that are added to food products to improve their quality, shelf life, or appearance. Examples of food additives include preservatives such as sodium nitrate, flavor enhancers such as monosodium glutamate (MSG), colorants such as caramel color, emulsifiers such as lecithin, and stabilizers and thickeners such as xanthan gum. While food additives are generally recognized as safe, some people may be allergic to certain additives or have other negative reactions to them.